second vlog, I think, my third one. Besides that, yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to the video, make sure you check me out on TikTok and Instagram. It's the same username, BMW. And besides that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Today I'm going to a super car meet, the biggest car meet in Sandton. So like, right now I'm leaving the crib. So like, yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna get back to this YouTube thing once I'm there. We officially made it, but what is this called? It's low-key kind of quiet right now, but yeah, it's quiet. I don't know. Some gent said I missed out on something, but hey, it doesn't matter, you know. As long as I'm here, y'all. Yeah, but it's cool. So far, there's no cars here, y'all. It's only like GTIs. Yeah, besides that, no supercars yet, but I've arrived here, you know. Yeah. Arrived, and this is what you see so far. This is what you see so far. Since I've arrived, all you see is the GTI and the 340i. Besides that, it's just clear, y'all. So like, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh, this guy's no balls.
What did he say?
He knows balls. This is what I call entertaining the fans. Or entertaining the people.
Bend the tires, bro.
Oh my God! Wow!
Oh, my dude, look at that. He has to put up this side though. Oh man. It looks so cool. It's a Mustang driver. Oh, it's a Shelby dog. Oh my days. Look at that. Oh, dude, that's something. Look at that F430, dude. The lighting is bad. Yeah! Where's the parking?
So you can't say hi.
Yeah. Rivets! Rivets! it's this guy. Why is it stuck? Why is it
Check this G80, y'all.
Porsche GT3 RS got wing got.
Rabbits! Rabbits! Your chance!
M3! Check the M3, yo.
Let's find Trini, man. Rabbits! Rabbits! Yeah, gonna come back. Just the Come on, rabbits! Rabbits!
Check this BMW.
Here we go. Yeah, he's coming back. Yeah, he's coming back. Rabbits!
Satya on the beat.
This looks so good. Maybe. I just raced the bodybuilder. I just raced the bodybuilder. Sounds so What is the Kentucky one? M4 CS, yo! You gotta see it.
Porsche GT3 RS got wing got. All that rap shit, what you sing about? You don't need no damn test. My diamonds blinging out. Yeah, Porsche got wings now. Porsche GT3 RS got wing got.
I'm gonna get my M4. Yo, fam, check this M4, yo. Crazy. Yeah, crazy. Yo, check this M4 CS, yo.
Satya on the beat.
Yes, M4. Check this M4, 2025 edition, M4. Check that, Valtronic pipes too. Check this beautiful row, y'all. Check this row, y'all. Yo, YouTube. Check the Ferrari, the Porsche, Carbon.
Satya on the beat.
Check this. M4 CS, yo. The best M4 ever. 2025 edition, by the way. Beautiful car. Then got the GT3 RS.